Good morning. Today I would like to show you the Goanna backpack. This beautifully coloured bag is highly visible in any situation, whether you're cycling to work, walking, or even just out in the bush. It is adorned with these reflectors, which on yours will actually be much larger. That's something we really strive to achieve here, is high visibility. And everything is extremely customizable. The belt strap, which has its own large pockets, is big enough for your phone and completely waterproof. The straps are completely customizable. The chest strap. Not only does it slide up and down so you can get it sitting on the right height for your chest, it has got these lovely little inserts of elastic which will expand, not too far, to actually allow you to breathe. If you tighten it up when you're at a passive standstill, then you get on your mountain bike and you're working up a good sweat, these will actually expand so that it doesn't cut off the air and you can keep riding and doing the things you enjoy. We also have extra pockets on the side which are also weather sealed and insulated with plastic on the inside. And if you do run out of space, we have these anything clips on the side. You can put a bucket on there, a helmet on there, pretty much anything with a handle you can clip to the sides. It really increases your carrying capacity. And of course, if it's just a jumper or something like that, you can slip it in these handy straps at the front and then just tighten it up with the toggle. If I move it closer, you should also see every zipper on this bag is completely sealed and closed over, just to give it that extra level of security and weatherproofing. Now, I have had this bag leak once, but only when I took it in the swimming pool to check it out properly. As far as normal weather conditions go, all your belongings are completely safe. Now, let's get to the goodies. This Goanna bundle also comes with a Goanna survival kit and our Goanna 900 lumens torch. But now let's move on to what the backpack actually holds. You open the twin zippers down the side, you find the cooler bag and water bladder. And the thing that makes ours slightly different from everybody else's is that it's insulated. I know it seems like such a simple thing. I don't know why nobody else does it, but the pouch for the water bladder is insulated. So if you put cold water in there, guess what? It'll stay cold for you. Now it has all the instructions for how to clean it on the front of the bladder there. But just a quick rundown for you. The top, you'll notice, has one open-ended side and one closed. So the open-ended side is obviously the part that's going to slide over the top of the bag. Push up this little white plastic piece, just let it go through the hole, and then that will just slide off. That is to give you a really large open area in which you can fit your whole hand in so that you can clean the bag properly. The other end also unscrews so that you can flush out your hose. Your mouthpiece will come off so that you can clean your mouthpiece, and that just slides straight back on. Oh, it's nice and tight, so it won't come off while you're using it. Now, in order to use it, the mouthpiece has a push-pull system, so you can close it off if you don't want it to drip on your clothes, or open it up for when you're using it. The secondary system, if you have a look there, it doesn't actually open until you squeeze it. And you don't have to squeeze it hard, but it does mean you need to bite it in order to suck the water through it. And then when you're ready to go again, it just screws nicely back in. Just like that. Gets placed inside the insulated pouch. Oh, I better put the top on it, don't I? Now once again, the open-ended side slides over the top to seal in all your liquids and keep them cold and fresh. Then inside the insulated pouch, these little Velcro straps will make sure the bladder stays upright. It keeps the weight evenly distributed You don't want all your water slouching to the bottom of the bag and then you can't put anything else in there. Right, now then the drinking hose comes through the inside of the bag and out over the shoulder. And that way the zipper can seal up completely and it won't leak at all. Now it's got this feature on both sides, so you can do it left or right handed. It comes over to the front and slips in under this little piece of elastic here, which also with reflectors on the front as well. Now we have other clips here. These Velcro clips here are for the rest of the utensils. The Goanna survival kit will pop neatly in there, and then under the elastic, the Velcro, once tightened, that is not going anywhere at all. And on the other side, your Goanna flashlight pops straight in through the Velcro loop, through the elastic, and that tightens up and around and grips that super tight. Whether it's upside down or the right way up, that will stay secure. And moving on to our cooler bag. This insulated cooler bag is incredibly large. I mean, you could fit your whole hand in there. But just to give you a concept of the idea, I've actually filled it up with some food today. So that's it. What have we got? We have, give you a look in there, we have chips. We have more chips. We've got tuna. We've got more tuna. Bread rolls. We're going to have a couple of hamburgers. What else have we got? A complete hand of bananas and even an apple. Just to give you an idea of the size, the quantity of food this will hold. And as you can see, it's all padded and insulated to keep that food fresh. So whether you're walking through the bush or even just walking to work and want to keep safe on the road from the other road users, this bag is designed to be highly visible and keep all your belongings safe and dry. Whether you be out in the bush or you just want to keep your lunch safe under your desk so no bugger pinches it out of the fridge, this bag will do the right thing by you. I should also mention just how silky smooth everything is. Everything has an incredible layer of padding and softness and absorption for if you do work up a good sweat. I've just got to say, there is nothing cheap about this bag, which is reflected in the price tag, but you do get what you pay for, and everything is included with this bundle. So if you're impressed by our Goanna bundle, or you think it'd make a great gift for somebody else, please give us a like and check out everything we've got to offer at getitgoanna.com.